Pleasant day, my viewers and subscribers. Our boy Sings here represent for Lot 1 boys and St. Elizabeth Chuckers. Today we have in our midst the great Mr. Sina Edwards, who is one of Jamaica's most sought after automotive technologists and vehicle programming. Mr. Edwards, great man, what going, sir?
Yeah, boss.
Same way, same way. How long have you been in this mechanical field?
More than 25 years.
More than 25 years. So what inspired you? Mr. Edwards?
Well, from very young, always interested in vehicle and how they worked, and that drive me with a passion for automotive technology.
So tell us some of the vehicle and the names that we associate with programming.
All type of vehicle, including cars, truck, van, excavator, front-end loader, compactor, any vehicle that can take tuning, that you can remove the file from the computer and place it to the computer.
Great. So what kind of service you have to offer to the vehicle owners in Jamaica?
Well, removing like DPF EGR system from trucks, cars, also give them fuel efficiency. Everybody right now wants real fuel efficiency when they come out to their vehicle. Even whether you're a taxi person, when they come on to fuel consumption, you can remap the file. Better burning, better performance, and fuel efficiency.
So you also remove the computer and do programming and stuff?
Definitely.
Yes.
You remove the file from the computer, remap or modify the file for better fuel efficiency and for performance.
So it doesn't matter the year and the make, any vehicle?
The vehicle, once the vehicle can take the program, especially above the year 2000, to present vehicle. So we do all of those vehicles. So if you're looking for like better performance, there are some of the sensors then that not necessarily like the EGR, which is the exhaust gas recirculation, that even kill performance many times because it recirculate the hot gases around the cylinder head. So we normally remove that for a better performance of the vehicle. It needs the particular filter, which is DPF system, which more for environmental protection, but kill longevity of the engine. So we normally remove that and give you increase the horsepower and the torque for better performance and fuel efficiency. If you notice that I emphasize the fuel efficiency, everybody wants to save on fuel.
A fuel efficient vehicle,
And also persons who like the burgle, pops and bang, and sensor calibration also do that.
So the young boy them with the BMW and the markets, them can come check you?
All of those vehicles.
You do everything?
Everything.
Alright, so here first. So how can the people get to you? As it relates to phone number and location?
As I say, as you know, member of the Jamaica Fire Brigade. Presently work at the Black River Fire Department. And the number is 429-1883.
Great. Repeat it again for them.
429-1883.
Alright. It's great, Mr. Sina. So today you're going to tell me about this international we have here. So.
Alright, this is one of the latest fire unit that Jamaica Fire Brigade received. Just about 2 years ago. This is a 2021 International HV, which is the latest model. This has a Cummins engine, which is an 8.9 liter ISL engine.
ISL.
ISL.
Most Jamaicans only know about ISM.
Yeah, but this is an ISL.
ISL.
Which is an 8.9 liter. And this also carries a 5th generation Alice transmission that works dual mode, both automatic and manual. It's a very good truck with 200 horsepower that engine is running at this time. So very effective, very versatile when it comes on to fires and performance, climbing hills. Very good at it.
See you, you want to give them a peek at the engine?
Yeah, we can have a look at the engine. This is the latest version of the Fire Brigade fleet, as I said before, 2021 ISL engine, turbocharged, fuel efficiency, very good. So it's a high performance engine when it comes to the fire brigade.
So among your many skills you have, so this at least your program.
Yeah man, this is easy because I can remove the file from the DLC, which means the diagnostic connection, where you retrieve the file. And this is a bash computer, which is one of the best computers in the world. So you can extract the file from the connection port, read it, modify it, write it back to the computer. The engine is good to go.
You hear that, people?
Yeah.
You hear that, people? I never know say them skiller there in Jamaica, you know. You understand? The man himself, well sought out after automotive mechanic and technologies. Reprogram, remap. The man do vehicle right across Jamaica. So if you want to get to him, I'm going to place a link down in the description, and also he already give you his number previously. Understand? So
they refer to me as fireman.
yes, everybody refer to him as fireman. And he also can come anywhere you want in Jamaica. Anywhere you want. Anywhere you're there. Yeah man, he find you man. Just call him, just give him a call. So Mr. Edwards, go back over the vehicle with your program.
Right, this including all small vehicles, like whether you wanted the Toyota, the Nissan, the Benz, the BMW. Once the ECU can take the tuning and you can remove the file, all of those.
So you do also tractors?
Tractors, excavators, front-end loaders.
Wait a second.
All of them.
Say that again.
Tractors, compactors, excavators, bobcat, whatever, which one of them you want.
So if a person they overseas.
I also do overseas programming where a person send their ECU to me. I do the modification and send it back to them overseas.
Boy, Mr. Senior, Sir Edwards, we're glad to have you on the channel now. Believe me. I know say this out or go far away. Anyhow, the information there right here, so here first at Lot 1 boys. As I say, like, share and subscribe.
Yeah man.